Hi, my name is Maura Thomas from RegainYourTime.com, and today I want to show you how to back up your PST file because I find that it's something a lot of people don't know how to do, but I think it's very important. If you don't know, your PST file is the file that contains all of the information that you have stored in Outlook. So all of your emails, all of your contacts, all of your calendar appointments, anything you have in Outlook lives in your PST file. So if you're using Outlook to run your life, then it's really important to have this information backed up. So the first thing we need to do is locate the file. It's not so easy to discover so that you can't accidentally delete it. But the way that you find it is you want to go up to File and select Data File Management. And this is Outlook 2007, but it looks almost exactly the same in 2003. So once you've selected Data File Management, you want to make sure that you have the Data Files tab selected. So click on Data Files and then you see Personal Folders. So you want to select that by clicking it once, left click once, and then you want to select Open Folder. And this will show you where on your computer your Outlook file lives. So now that we have this folder open, we can minimize this for a minute because we can't back up the file if it's open. So we have to exit out of Outlook. Okay, now you can right-click on Outlook and select Copy. And I suggest that you put it on some sort of external drive. Now you can see this is only 513 kilobytes. I wanted it to copy fast, so I used a very small PST file. You need to pay attention to how big your file is, and then I would suggest that you either use an external hard drive or a flash drive. Just make sure that once you notice how big it is, make sure that flash drive or that external drive has enough room on it to store the file. So I've plugged in an external flash drive, a USB flash drive. So now that I've copied the file, I just need to navigate to that flash drive. I'll go over to my computer and I will select that flash drive, which it's here called Removable Disk. So I'll double click on Removable Disk, and then I have a folder created called Outlook Backup. So I'll double click on that, and then I've backed up this file before, so there's already a copy there, but I want this to be a new backup. So I'm just going to right click and select Paste, and I will replace the file, and now it's backed up. And as I mentioned, this is a very small PST file. Yours is probably very large, and if it's very large, it will probably take a fair amount of time to copy over. However, because all your important information is stored in it, I would recommend that you do it at least once a week. Set it to copy onto a flash drive and then take off and go to lunch. You don't want to do it in the middle of your workday because it will take too long, but despite how long it takes, I would suggest that you do it about once a week at least. So a lot of people don't know about this feature down here called Safely Remove Hardware. If you've got a flash drive installed, before you unplug it, this is really the way that you should do it. So you go down here to this green arrow and you double click and you select the storage device and you select stop, and then it will give you these choices which are really all the same thing. I'll just select USB flash memory and select OK, and then now it says safe to remove hardware. So once you've done all that, your Outlook file is backed up, and if you have some sort of computer malfunction, you can trust that your information in Outlook is protected. So that's how to back up your PST file. I hope you found it helpful. You can find more tips on my website at www.regainyourtime.com, and you can follow me on Twitter at mnthomas. Hope to see you there. Thanks for watching.